Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you two methods of how you can easily add an announcement bar on your Shopify store. If you don't know what it is, an announcement bar basically is this message that's appear at the top of your page. So basically it's here where you wanna show important informations about shipping delays or about any promotions being offered this time. Okay. So let's get into it. Before we start, if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, make sure you check the size and easily import any size chart from AliExpress with just one click. Okay, so from your Shopify admin store, go to online store, make sure you are on themes, and here we are going to click on customize. Now, if your theme doesn't have this announcement bar section, don't worry, I will also show you another way to add an announcement bar on the header, okay? So if your theme has this announcement bar section, click on the arrow over here. We can hide this message if you want by clicking on the eye icon. We can also edit its message by clicking on this block. For example, I will add my text. We also have some alignment options over here. For example, if I want my block to go to the left or to the right, I will let mine in center. And we even have the option of link our announcement section to some link, for example, some collection or some product or some page. Okay, so after you add your announcement bar section, just go ahead and click on save. Now I will also show you another way to add the announcement bar section for themes that doesn't have this announcement bar section over here. It's actually on the header. So I will open my another theme over here. Now, as you can see, this another theme doesn't have the announcement bar section. It's only have the header. I'm going to click on the header. I will scroll a little bit down. And here we are looking for the announcement bar or announcement banner. It is depending on how your theme is set up, but basically will be something like that, announcement or announcement bar or announcement banner. Okay, so if I click on this checkbox over here, if I mark it, this announcement bar is now appear over here at the top of the page, and I can also add the text. Okay, it is depend if your team has all these options or not. Basically, mine have announcement color, that is the background color, and announcement text color. I am going to click on save. So, okay, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video was helpful. And if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.